Hi, and welcome to the monthly product release video for November. This time we have introduced a few interesting items for those Mercedes owners who are in the possession of Antos, Actros, Atego and Arocs trucks, such as this DPF along with clamps and gaskets, this pressure sensor, and a separate kit of clamps and gaskets for a DPF. Classically, Mercedes has been known for using high porosity silicon carbide material on all of their DPFs, and we have kept to that tradition by using the premium material. As usual, these are on stock, fast delivery, quality products from a premium aftermarket brand. Make sure to follow us on social media and see you next time.